The wood platforms for the back of the village to give me that height that I was looking for are finished. My husband worked on those yesterday and then today. So now that those platforms are finished, what I need to do next is the entrance to the train tunnel there. Underneath the track, I need to fit a piece of styrofoam to go on underneath there. And then I need to fit probably 2 pieces of styrofoam to go under this section of the train track. I do have a piece already fitted underneath the track that goes through the tunnel, so I don't have to worry about that. Then once I do that, I need to look through the houses and see what houses I want on these platforms. I have a pretty good idea, so that should go fairly easily. And then I'll need to grab the light cords and get those so they'll go, so I can plug those in. I was going to start on that yesterday. I had pulled out my electrical cord box, but I ended up helping my husband with the platform, so I didn't get to that. Then once I get those houses and the cords all situated, I'll start working on my facade. I'm really thinking about how I want to approach that. I've got a couple of different ideas. Then once I get that part situated, I still need to figure out a bridge to go over for both sections of the table. So I've taken it apart. So that is kind of where I'm at right now with the village build.